This is an electric starter. First, I'm going to disassemble it. After that, I will show each components, and finally, I will reassemble it. I will start by removing the solenoid. Remove the nut over this terminal. After that, pull the wire out. Remove the two screws on the front of the solenoid. Carefully pull the solenoid out. Lift the plunger and pull it out slowly. The solenoid is off. Next, I will remove the armature. Start with the screws and nuts on the housing. Gently remove the housing to reveal the fuel coils and the brushes. Hold on the midsection and lift the coil and the brush. That's the armature. Remove the pin, and then the armature and the lever can be pulled out. Putting the lever aside, we now have the armature removed. This is the remainder of the housing. Let's look at each component next. This is the armature. Notice the overrunning clutch and the drive pinion sliding across the shaft. Those are the brushes on top. Inside, you can see the fuel coils. This is the solenoid. It has a return spring. Next, we have a plunger that sits on the spring. This is the lever. The large end sits around the shaft while the smaller end seats the plunger. This is the pivot pin. This is the housing. This is also the housing. These are the main components in a starter. Going to put these components back together. During the disassembly earlier, it was quite easy to remove the nuts and the screws. This is because I've already loosened the screws and nuts previously. This is an old starter and it's rusty in some places. It took a fair amount of effort to unfasten the screws. Also, it would have been easier to assemble and disassemble the starter using a workpiece clamp. Unfortunately, I cannot bring my camera to the workshop. I might test this starter in another video, so stay tuned. Thank you for watching.